War doesn't stop for silence. It doesn't wait for morning or for someone to finish their coffee. It erupts. The very moment one side thinks the other isn't watching.
Sending you the coordinates now. They landed on the eastern side in Katerynivka.
Katerynivka, a small village in the Toretsk sector. Today, it's about to become a killing ground.
Brothers, wishing you strong health. We're taking off and heading there now.
No grand speeches, no heroic poses, just a blessing and a launch command. A drone rises into the gray sky, carrying the eyes and the wrath of the 5th Battalion of the 12th AZOV Brigade. 5 Russian infantry fighting vehicles, each packed with 8 troops, advance toward the village outskirts. They are confident, armored, and convinced that numbers alone will deliver them victory.
Can you light up the armored vehicle that's higher up the road? At 1 o'clock, the FPV drone will start working.
But Russian confidence dissolves fast when Ukraine is watching. The first IFV rolls over a mine lying silent beneath the dirt. The explosion rips through steel and sends panic through the column. One tries to break away, engine screaming. But an FPV drone hunts it down, slamming straight into its hull. Escape denied. Distance means safety. Accuracy means survival. Support the channel with a like and subscribe. Those who can still run, do. Boots hitting mud. Desperation mounting. They sprint toward the nearest houses. Concrete and shadows promising shelter.
Confirm. They landed in Katerynivka?
Yeah, that's Katerynivka, same area.
Copy that, copy that.
But Katerynivka doesn't belong to them. And in 2025, buildings are not protection. They are coordinates. 3 infantry fighting vehicles that reached the village, already marked. The Russians scatter into basements and bedrooms, thinking they've escaped. Instead, they've only entered the next phase of their defeat.
Brother, tell me, besides that one marked with a cross, the upper and lower houses, does the lower one have a basement too? Where do we drop?
Buddy, they also unloaded to the right side of the vehicle.
Every door and window becomes a target reference. Every step they take is watched from above.
Pilot, move off the armored, shot incoming.
Artillery joins the assault, a synchronized strike from ground and air.
Step back, there's gonna be a drop right now.
A drone arcs downward, and a doorway erupts into splinters and dust. Silence follows, the kind that confirms a clean hit. A few soldiers remain alive, crawling out of deep corners, gasping in fear. For them, the sky dips again.
Pilot, we've got a launch flight at 20.
Launch flight 20, copy.
Drones are precise. They don't hesitate. They don't miss.
Brother, confirm? Are those enemies?
Is that one wounded or KIA? Please confirm.
Wounded means danger, and danger must be removed. One correction, one strike. One less invader on Ukrainian ground. 5 armored vehicles destroyed. 40 Russian soldiers eliminated. Not a single foothold gained. Not a single advance achieved. Every house the invaders tried to hide in was found. Every basement they believed would save them became their tomb. Every step onto Ukrainian soil became their last. Katerynivka remains Ukrainian, not because of chance, but because Ukraine adapts. Because Ukraine refuses to fall. Because soldiers of the Azov brigade turn innovation into survival, and survival into victory. War is a test of evolution, and Ukraine is evolving faster than the empire trying to erase it. They wanted a quick offensive. What they got was a lesson. This land does not welcome them. This land destroys them. And today, Katerynivka proves it once again. Not 1 meter given. Not one invader spared. This is how towns stay alive. This is how maps stay the same. This is how Ukraine wins. One failed Russian assault at a time. If you stand with Ukraine, let these soldiers hear you. Hit like so their story spreads farther. Comment to honor the defenders of Katerynivka, and subscribe to stay on the front line of truth. Your support makes their voices louder, and Russia's propaganda weaker. The story of this war isn't written in Moscow. It's written right here, in places like Katerynivka. And the ending will be decided by those who never stop defending home. Ukraine endures. Copy, hold, hold, hold. Move, move, move. Weapons, hands up. Hold the med kit. Brother, hey man, you good? You okay? Did it collapse on you? I told them to stay put. We'll pull them out later. Crawl this way, toward me. If you don't answer in 2 seconds, we open fire. Move it. Let's go, boys. Welcome to captivity. Move right, immediately.
Basement on the right. See it?
Yeah, I see it. Kindergarten, take that brick house. The one with the damaged roof, you got it? Not the red one, the one with the hole. Copy, copy. What, you got 2 of them? I'm taking the left side, I got the left. Secured, secured. Go, first team, move. Clear. Yeah, we're starting. To the basement. Basement, go. Anyone down there?
Did you see any soldiers?
You here alone?
Haven't seen anyone at all?
You don't want to leave? You don't?
Why not?
With what?
What do you mean? We can get you out.
No, you will get out, no doubt about that. But what about us? Are we supposed to just stay here with our hands out?
No, there's an organization helping with that. You'd be shocked how many people we've already evacuated from here.
We keep in touch, I know. Talk with the neighbors all the time. Everyone's complaining.
At least no one here is trying to beat you.
Yeah, that's true.
What can I say? We've been living in this basement for 7 months straight.
Damn, 7 months? Come on, don't make it worse for yourselves. Let us get you out.
No, we'll stay.
Why though? What's the point of staying here?
And what's the point for you if we do?
Look, it's safer for you. And for us, you won't be in the line of fire or interfere with our work.
Boys, your mothers want you alive and working. So do your families. You've got to think, who are you fighting for, your grandfathers or someone else?
That's your right. All right then, take care. Please. We'll make sure no guests come to visit you.
Thank you. You take care too.
Yeah, we try. All right, moving out. Into the woods. Clear. Clear. Clear, weapons. Hands up, hands up. We're not going to kill you if your hands are up. You've got 10 seconds. Come out, don't be afraid. We're not going to kill you. Raise your hands. Hands. Crawl this way, crawl to me. Crawl to me, quickly. Crawl to me too, come on, come on. Where's the third?
There's no third, two of us.
Come to me, faster, faster. Faster. All right, stand up, stand up, stand up. Move forward. Forward, come on, quicker, quicker. We're not going to kill you. Good, come in.
Here's a medkit, and another medkit.
I'll check what they've got here now. Here's another medkit. Guys, congrats. Just the two of you in the basement?
Yeah, two.
Right, two. Come on, lads. Welcome to captivity. We're going into the basement. Move, move, hurry up. What about the eye? Is the eye still in place? Not in place. Come into the basement. Go lower. Nobody's going to kill you now, sort of. Can you keep going? Well, move on then, old man. I'll help you now. There were only two of you who came?
The guys died. The guys died.
They all died, huh? How many did you have?
8.
8? Jesus. Where did they die?
Somewhere around here from a mortar.
What were your call signs?
Mine?
Yeah,
Dudik.
and you.
Mufta.
So call signs Dudik and Mufta. There were 8 of them. 8. Only these 2 left. The rest died. How'd you take it? Bang. Guys, look. Come out with your hands up and no weapons. You hear me? Come out with hands up and no weapons. Or we'll toss a couple of grenades in there, you copy, guys? Come out with your hands up and no tricks. Or we'll throw in another TM on you. If you do anything stupid, we'll sort you out. Hurry up. Come out with your hands up and unarmed. If you don't answer me in 2 seconds, we'll sort you out. Empty-handed, hands up. No weapons. You'll stay alive. Faster. Wait, wait. With your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands. Hands. Second one. Get on your knees and stay there. All right, come out. Hands up. Okay, okay. Calm. Come here. Here, here. Hands, hands, hands. Okay. 2 of them are with us. 2 of them. Pulling back to the FISHA. Over. Guys, we won't shoot you. Just no sudden moves. That's it. Move, move, move. Keep the pace. Keep the pace. Took their rifle and radio.